Hello there, I'm Catherine from my hillside garden in northeast Pennsylvania, Zone 6. Today I wanted to tell you what seeds I ordered. I finally made my decision, went through my list, weeded some out, went through all of my seeds, which I realized I had too many carrots and too many lettuce seeds, so those came right off the list. The two companies I chose to support this year were Baker Creek. You can go to rareseeds.com. They have online ordering. You can mail it in. They have this great free catalog. If you haven't gotten one, give it a shot. I'm sure you'll like it. They also have a very nice purchase catalog. You can get it from them, or generally you can find it in your local Barnes & Noble. And the other company that I chose to go with was Pinetree. So that's where I'll be getting my seeds from this year. I'm really excited. I'm getting some alpine strawberry seeds from Baker Creek. I've never grown strawberries from seed before, so I'm really excited about that. And actually, I have a special project for those, so keep an eye on the springtime videos to see how I'm going to plant those. We've had regular strawberries in the big bag bed up in the top of the yard, and I don't know whether it was where they were located or perhaps it was all the birds and the slugs, but we never got, in 3 years, I don't think we got more than a handful of strawberries each year. So I'm hoping this year's project is going to work to our benefit. I did decide against the jicama. I just don't have a spot this year that I feel comfortable with putting in jicama, since the stems, flowers, seeds, and leaves are poisonous. With Wyatt, I worry because he does eat grass sometimes, that if I have it in the yard, he could get a hold of it, and I don't need that to happen. So we're going to try that next year, maybe in my Zone 7 garden, because we're clearing another spot in that yard. Let's see what else. Oh, from Pinetree, I did order some new onion seeds. As I said, I want to do my own plants this year. So I've gotten Alice Craig, a Westerfield red onion, and Stuttgarter onion, because that one's supposed to be a very good storage onion. So, and that's primarily why we grow them, even though we do pick through the season and eat onions, scallions, bunching onions through the summer. Spring and summer and fall. We like to store them also. And something else that I got from Pinetree, I went with the banana fingerling potatoes. They offered 2 different kinds in a variety pack, so I'll be getting 2 pounds, 1 pound of each. One is a light or white color, the other one is a purple. And then I also got another pound of the white ones. So we'll be doing 3 pounds of fingerling potatoes this year at my Zone 7 garden. So those were my choices for this year. I'd love to hear what you finally decided on. Leave me a note if you'd like. Hit the like button. Let me know whether you like the video or not. And happy gardening. Have a great day.